Welcome back. Now, as the Prime Minister is in the US on his second visit there in 2 years, earlier as Chief Minister, remember, as Chief Minister of Gujarat, he'd been denied a US visa. Now, eminent economist Jagdish Bhagwati, speaking to NDTV, says that the visa to Mr. Modi had been denied at the request of the UPA government.
It's been a year since Mr. Modi came to the United States of America. Last time there was a large measure of novelty. It was the first time he was coming. This is a country that had denied him a visa.
Right.
Time has passed. This is going to be perhaps a visit that is scrutinized less on style and more on substance. What are the Americans expecting? What are they looking for?
As far as the Americans are concerned, I think they want to now push further into US-India dialogue. Last time, the Prime Minister was still feeling his way. They were still suffering from the hangover from the fact that he had been denied the visa.
Yeah.
I think the Prime Minister came across as someone who did not hold on to old memories and old rancor.
So he had no grudges.
He had no grudges, and I think in a way, he's also a very well-informed and very practical person, because everybody knows, I don't know how far it's known in India, that the visa was denied to him at the request of the central government, meaning the UPA government.
This is a man called Mahesh Sharma. He is the Minister of State for Culture, and he's spoken about ending cultural pollution. And he's spoken about Abdul Kalam being a nationalist despite being a Muslim.
Yeah,
you
I
had
saw
Aurangzeb Road renamed. All of that.
I saw that, but I think we shouldn't overdo it, because anyone who knows the history of the last days of the Mughal Empire.
Yeah, so let's put Aurangzeb aside.
So Aurangzeb should be set aside. I think where this guy is saying, even though he's a Muslim, Abdul Kalam was a syncretic figure, that's because most of these chaps probably don't know English well enough.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't pay too much attention.
No, he spoke perfectly fine English.
He did?
I think my larger point
that
is
he's probably an idiot.